On behalf of MIT International School of Broadcasting and Journalism and Mays Arts, Commerce and Science College, I welcome all of you for today's induction program. All the new batches are there along with the previous batch. This will be a short and sweet program, mainly because of the guest. He is a very sweet person and a very popular person in media. Chiranjeev Godbole is Chairman and Managing Director of Indian Magic Eye Private Limited. It's a media hub in Pune. We are really honored to welcome such a personality who is really a multifaceted person in the media. We welcome him. Request Mr. Mohan Menon sir to offer him a bouquet and our traditional shawl. Principal T.N. More sir is with us today. He is the heading Arts, Commerce and Science College. I request Mohan Menon sir to welcome him. I request all the guests to light the lamp because today is the starting of your next academic year. Now I request Director Mr. Mohan Menon sir to address you.
Good morning, honored guest, Professor More sir, Sridhar Godbole sir, my students and visiting faculties. You see, we get such great dignitaries here every time for interaction. So I wish that you learn from them and you also share from them. And there are so much to talk there, but still I can't do that here because it's not that any restriction, but the time is the limit there. So from day one I've been telling that time management is very important. So I welcome you all and thank you so much.
Now I request Principal Dr. T.N. More sir to address the function.
This is the first day of all of you, and you are step with the most confidence and some imaginations and ambitions in the mind to explore yourself in the field of mass comm and journalism. I hope that this inspiring campus of the MIT, especially of ISBJ, and coupled with Department of Mass Comm and Journalism of Mays Arts, Commerce and Science College, I really delighted to see all of you to this wonderful institution. Only the efforts that you have to spend left with you only. Just commit yourself, come out with the strong efforts. Wish you all the best. Welcome to this great institution and all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Principal More sir. As he said, for last 6 years, yours is 7th batch. From all the batches, we had university toppers in the first 5 of the merit list. So we should clap for them. So that's our tradition. I hope you will continue with that tradition. Now it's time to listen to Chiranjeev Godbole. I request him to address them.
I will take this opportunity to kind of build a bridge between students and the industry. Makaran was telling about the number of channels which have opened up. The opportunities for media have increased a million times more than what existed once upon a time. The world of television is changing. In the next 10 years, we'll be going to handheld devices like smartphones, we'll be going to tablets, we'll be going to different smaller devices which are with you for almost 24/7. You're landing into a world of dreams which outwardly looks very beautiful, very challenging, very interesting, but grass is always greener on the other side. So the proverbial fact is actually you will taste that when you come to my industry. But I'm sure your professors and your institute will endeavor to give you the closest of the education that is required for the industry. You have been given a fantastic opportunity by your parents. They have paid your fees. Very fortunately, you have been admitted to a fantastic facility, great institution. So this is a myth that youth is about bunking classes. Let us create a new myth that the youth is here to study seriously because this is your exit point in the education. Now this is the time when you have the last hammerhead on the nail, okay? This is going to take you for the entire life. So don't be lackadaisical when it comes to your studies or practicals, because what you acquire here is going to be your wealth for tomorrow. The wealth could be in the form of experience, the wealth could be in the form of exposure. So have a lot of fun. You are in the right hands, you have chosen the right career, you have a right facility, the time is right, the industry is ready to acquire more and more people. There is a dearth of talent in the industry. At the same time, there is a huge competition. So welcome to this fantastic world of media, and I wish you all the best for your studies as well as for your future careers. Thank you so much.
I thank Chiranjeev for coming today for this function and honoring. I thank Dr. T.N. More sir also for attending function and guiding you. And with this, we end our today's program.